Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 6310 and today I'll show you how to copy your contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up our menu. From there you want to scroll down to your contacts. There we go, contacts. And from here, again, navigate down to copy. Select from SIM card 2 to phone. Now obviously for you, go also say from SIM card 1, that just depends where you insert your SIM card. I put it in the second tray, as you can see, so that's what it's showing me. So anyway, let's select from SIM card 2 to phone, and then one by one or multiple, that just completely depends on you, or you can also do all in a single click. Now if you do multiple, you will have to select them. If you do all, you don't. So start copying, okay. And 6 contacts copied. And now if we go to our contacts list, wherever that is, let me just quickly try to find it. So I believe there we go. So those are the contacts. Now obviously there's a couple that are just wonky. That's because some of them were in Cyrillic, some of them were in Greek. So this one doesn't support either language apparently, so it gives you those squares. But you can easily edit it and change the name to something that uses normal alphabet that will be recognized by the device. So anyway, that is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.